Hello friends, welcome to Rinkusrasoi. Today I am going to share the most requested recipe so far. I am going to show you how you can make green chutney powder which you can take with you while you travel, and it has lots of possibilities. So let's start making our chutney powder. To make the chutney, I am taking 1/4 cup of spinach. I just wash it properly. So I'm just using spinach over here. Then I am taking 1 cup of mint leaves. Again wash it properly 3 to 4 times. Then I am adding 1 bunch of cilantro. I am taking cilantro with the stem. So the stem will give you a very nice mild flavor. So I am adding cilantro also in it. Then I am taking 1 inch of ginger, and this is the pieces from 3 green chili. This is mild green chili. If you want spicy, you can add more spicier green chili. So I am adding green chili and cilantro here. Now in this jar I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of regular salt, 1/8 teaspoon of hing asafoetida, half teaspoon of cumin powder. Then I am adding some oil in it, almost like 1 tablespoon of oil, and 4 to 5 ice cubes. I am not adding any water while making this chutney. I am using the ice cube instead of water. So this will give you a very nice green color of your chutney. Now I am going to crush everything and make a fine paste. So here our paste is ready. I am going to take this paste in a bowl. So I am just taking this over here. So as you can see, because of oil and ice cube, it has maintained its green color. So now in this paste I am going to add some besan flour. So I am just going to add little bit flour at a time. And this is the reason I told you not to add too much water, because if it's too much water then you have to add more besan flour. And we are using besan flour just for binding. So main taste we want is from the chutney. So I'm just going to mix it. Make sure there is no lumps in it. So it's still a little bit watery, so I'm going to add a little bit more besan flour. And I'm going to mix everything again. So here our dough is ready. Now I'm going to make sev out of it. So now I'm taking this sev maker. So here is the 3 part of the sev maker. I am using this with the thick hole. So I'm putting this inside and I'm going to grease everything. And I'm also going to grease this part also well. Now I will fill this with the dough. This is little bit different when we make a regular sev, because in regular sev we don't make this dropping consistency mixture. So I'm just going to put this inside. And now I'm going to put this into the top and cover this. So here my sev maker is ready. Now I'm going to fry the sev. So now when the oil gets hot, I'm just going to start my sev. Just turn around like this and just do it in circle. And when it's done, you just reverse it and take it off. And now let it fry on both the sides. And now carefully just turn it on the other side. and let it fry on other side as well. And now carefully take it out into the another plate. Remove all the small pieces if you left it over here. And now we are ready for the second batch. Same thing, I'm going to start at one end and I'm just going to circle around. So when it's done on one side, just carefully flip it and just fry on the other side as well. As you notice that I have not added any color or anything, still it looks very nice green color. So I'm just going to remove this. So here all the save are ready. Now I'm going to take this save into the mixture jar. So I'm just gonna break it and just put this into the mixture jar. So here all the save here in the mixture jar. Now I'm going to add some spices in it. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of salt. We have already added salt into the chutney. I'm not adding that much salt in here. And now pinch of citric acid. I'm getting a lot of question about the citric acid. Citric acid is a replacement of lemon juice. So if you do not have citric acid, so while you make the chutney, when you add the water, you can use lemon juice as well. But here I am making the dry powder of the chutney. That's why I'm using citric acid over here right now. So now I'm going to make the powder out of it. So here my powder is ready. Now I'm going to take this out into the bowl. So here, as you can see, our chutney powder is ready. Now you can just store into the plastic bag and you can take this with you. Whenever you want to make the chutney, just add a little bit water in it and your chutney will be ready. This can be stored into the refrigerator for 8 to 9 months, or you can keep it outside for 3 to 4 months. It will be good for 4 months. So now I'm going to show you how you can make chutney. So here in this bowl, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of chutney powder. And then I'm going to add some water in it. So consistency of the water depends upon where you want to use the chutney. If you are making for sandwich, just add little bit of water. Just add a little bit more. Because there is a besan flour in it, so besan flour will absorb the water and it will make a thick paste. So here, as you can see, the chutney is getting ready. Now I'm adding a little bit more water. So here our chutney is ready. Now you can use this chutney with sandwich or bhel, or you can just use it with paratha or roti, whatever you have it. There are a lot of options for this chutney. So here my chutney is ready, and this is instant chutney mix powder. So next time when you go out for the vacation, try this chutney powder and take this with you. And you can also keep this at home and you can just make instant chutney out of it. So I'm sure you will love this recipe. Share this recipe with your friends and family, and I will see you with the new episode of Rinkusrasoi. Till then, happy cooking!